5G is going to change everything. 5G is a huge priority for us right now, and it starts at the infrastructure and it goes all the way up through the particular software solutions that the service providers will need in order to enable 5G in their network. And it's not just about the service provider. We're finding that 5G is something that enterprises really care about, and they want to know how they can advantage themselves by enabling themselves to take advantage of 5G technology very early.
For many customers, it's going to give them a much better level of service. It's going to give them faster download speeds. It's going to give them connectivity in harder places to reach where we might have struggled before, particularly train stations and places like that where it's been harder for us to put connectivity into just because of the new protocols that 5G has. It's probably going to take a couple of years for the smartphones to develop. Really customers are going to see a much better overall experience, be able to download a film much faster, be able to watch live streaming much better in more locations. I'm really excited about it, but it is, 5G is a 10-year journey. It's going to take time for us to build it out everywhere in the UK, but you can count on BT and EE being first out there and first to give our customers this great experience.
5G for me is basically two things. It's first, an even better engine for the mobile broadband. The mobile broadband that we all love and use, and it's a global thing. But the mobile broadband as such can't really give the industry any growth. Growth has to happen outside mobile broadband. And there comes in the possibilities to add other industries, other ecosystems into the network that can benefit from it. And I think the main theme here is therefore twofold. First, it is of course a 5G radio with its even better engine for the mobile broadband. But secondly, it's a network slicing, it's a cloud, it's a data center, it's a virtual nodes, the ability to create parts of an ecosystem for other industries that can benefit from it. It can range from police and these kind of solutions for professional communication until entertainment services such as virtual reality, augmented reality. All of these will contribute to and open up for new revenue streams for the operators, and I think that's at the end of the day what 5G is all about. It's new revenue streams for the operator and these industries.
Yeah, well, I'm a huge hockey fan, being Canadian, and I don't know if you've ever been to a Little League hockey game, but it's funny, I think it's also somewhat like a Little League soccer game. And you know what, all the kids are on the field and they think they're playing their position, but really what they do is they swarm around the ball. And I feel like that's what we have today with connectivity, right? You get a Wi-Fi access point, or you're at home or in the office and you swarm around these hubs of connectivity. But as players mature and as they get older, they realize what it means to play positions. And really, you get the best out of a team if everybody can play their own position. And that's what I think 5G enables. It really enables this ubiquitous access of connectivity that enables each player, each device, each part of the system to really play their own role. And then we get the most, right, out of the end solution.
I think, it's all about the scale in terms of, the experience, the managed services that we provide, and the customers are looking for rapid deployment. They are going through the digital transformation and changing the business the way they do.
And so most of the time, it's not just about that wireless connectivity. That's important, that's table stakes, but a lot of our customers are interested on layers of value on top of that. Could be analytics, understanding how their customers are interacting with them, where are they shopping in the store, those kinds of things.
The technologies are one thing. It'll be a great formative technology that'll actually drive pervasive computing and pervasive connectivity. But really what gets us excited and gets our customers excited is the fact there'll be all sorts of services that now can actually be really executed and put to bear that in the past were very much within the realms of science fiction and in the realms of thought, so to say, right? Being able to actually create services where you can do near real-time decision making based on artificial intelligence, actually have policies in the network that follow the requirements of the customer business processes. These are types of things that need to be near real-time, they need to be immersive, they need to be such that the end customer actually feels the level of intelligence right there, and things like edge compute, things like high speed, ultra low latency technologies will actually drive all these new use cases. That's what really is exciting about 5G.